Hey Modulos, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today I have a new wig for you guys. So this wig is from Luvme Hair. This is their blonde 613 frontal wig. I have this wig in 22 inches and I am going to show you guys how I got this ash blonde color on top and rainbow on the bottom, you guys. Oh my gosh. This hair color is crazy. And if you guys want to see how I got this hair color, then just keep on watching. So this is my wig head right here. It's all covered up with plastic bags, so I don't mess it up too much. But we're just gonna go ahead and slide the wig on there. Look at her. She's cute. She's a little thin at the ends, but she'll be okay. She'll survive. What I'm going to do is go ahead and start coloring it and show you guys the end result. Okay, bye. What I did was just part the hair where I wanted to color at. I parted away the blonde from the different sections of color. So what I did to have each section of color, I just put little hair clips on it and pinned them out of the way, which is what I did when I added the color as well. So I'm just showing you one or two colors that I ended up doing, and then I'm showing you guys the end results. I basically just split the hair into 10 pieces evenly and colored them 5 different colors. The colors I used are blue, green, yellow, orange, and pink. I decided not to show you guys the brand of color that I'm using because it really doesn't matter, just as long as you guys choose whatever colors you want to or whatever colors make the rainbow. So I only showed you guys blue and green, and this is the end result. This is how all of the color turned out, and I have them split into sections. Now some of the color did bleed onto the other, so I do suggest you guys either use some saran wrap or foil or whatever else to separate the colors so they don't mix, but it didn't really matter to me. So, and to make the blonde color less yellow, I did use Shimmering Lights shampoo, the purple shampoo, to make it like an icy blonde. Now on to the construction of the wig. This wig came with an elastic band, 1 comb in the middle, and 3 combs towards the back, and adjustable straps. The construction of this wig was a little bit different than what I'm used to. It came with some lace fabric in the middle of the wig and no lace in the back. So if you guys know what that is or what this wig has going on, please let me know in the comment section down below. But that is pretty much it about the construction, and as you guys know, this is a frontal lace wig. So that is pretty much it for the coloring of the hair. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And now I'm moving on to applying the wig. All I'm using is the holding spray from Got To Be glue, and that's about it. Now if you guys want to see how I apply this wig, just keep on watching. See, I had missing got some dye up here in the front. Some yellow dye, like, really? Okay, so I have the wig on, you guys, and it is so cute. But this is pretty much it for the wig application. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start on my makeup just to bring the whole look together. And you guys, stay tuned for this makeup routine I did to go along with this hair. I will have that up soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.